What up, good people? So today I'm out here in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and I wanted to talk to y'all about fifth wheels. I'm at the Freightliner dealership, and yesterday, I'm sure y'all know how cold it gets out in Minnesota. So yesterday, I was at a Walmart facility making a delivery, and they told me to drop my trailer before I can get unloaded. So when I went to detach from my trailer, I was pulling this arm out right here, and it wouldn't stay locked out. So I pull it, it popped back in, pull it out, it popped back in. And so I came to the Freightliner dealership. I figured one of the springs under the fifth wheel was broken. They told me my springs were okay, and that it may need to be adjusted, or it may need a rebuild kit. So I said, you know what? I just want to get up out of here today. So they didn't know if they was gonna have the time to rebuild it. And then when they quoted me on the rebuild, I was like, I may as well just get a new one. They were talking about 6 hours labor on the rebuild. So, sometimes it's best to just go ahead and get a new part, man. So I just told them to put a brand new plate on there, because the rebuild was going to be 6 hours of labor at like $100 an hour, plus the rebuild kit was like almost $400. So you're talking about $1,000 just for a rebuild, and the fifth wheel plate itself, the brand new one, was like right at a little bit over $1,000. So I said I'm better off just getting a new fifth wheel plate put on there. So that's what I did. Got the new fifth wheel plate put on there. Now I'm back in business, because I'd rather spend my money on a new part than to spend my money in a bunch of labor. So yeah, it ended up costing me a little bit more. It probably cost me about $300 more to just get the new one versus doing the rebuild. So I figured I'd just rebuild it. So that's all I got today for the adventures of trucking. Put a new fifth wheel plate on, man, and hopefully I won't have the issue of that fifth wheel arm not locking out anymore. I know it's brand new, so that's the issue I don't have to worry about for a while. All right, so that's all I got for now. I'm out. Peace.